Hey y'all, it's Kathy Bow, and yes, I am your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, but today I want to show you how to get rid of something that you have ironed on with your heat press onto a shirt, and you messed up, and now you need to get it off. Okay, so I found this adorable transfer of Bridget, the troll. Isn't she cute as a button? Well, I put her on a shirt and I messed up. The placement was bad. So I've been sitting here removing her, and I thought maybe you guys want to see it. So here you go. I got this teeny tiny little iron, which I recommend this size. It is super hot. Now this is Bridget in the wrong place. All right. Now it's going to leave some residue behind. But anyway, there's this solvent called VLR. V as in Victor, LR. And it's like 20 something bucks on Amazon. And that's going to get rid of the glue left behind. Some shirts you can use Goo Gone on, but they said this one I cannot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this iron inside the shirt. So I'm going to put the transfer over the iron. Come on now. There it goes. Okay, now, but anyway, my crafting store, my vinyl store, showed me how, and I will tell you the correct name of them in just a minute. So I'm going to pull it really snug. I'm not trying to stretch the shirt, but I'm pulling it really snug, and it is hot. So what I'm going to do, take a pair of scissors and just, now this is already started. I'll show you how to do it. And yeah, you might get a little bit hot stuff on you. Okay, so let's just say, let me move it down over here where I have not removed anything. So it'll look like a brand new transfer. Okay, so we'll just work on this edge right here. Okay, so you let it get good and hot, and you take a pair of scissors, and you're just going to kind of scrape it up a little bit. I need to get a little tighter than that, quite a bit tighter. And here we go. I'll show you close up, just a sec. You see how that's coming off? Like this. Look at it just coming right off. So I've still got my iron here, and I'm just going to scrape a little bit more. They were so awesome to walk me through this today, and I was like, oh snap, you guys need to know this. Because I thought I had lost the shirt and the iron-on, and I don't know what this thing is called. Of course, I didn't cut it out with my Cricut or my Silhouette. I bought it already done. And, excuse me, anyway. Here we go. So you just keep working with it like this. And you just peel up enough where you can safely grab a piece of it and not burn your hand. Which is not that, it's not that bad. And you see what I'm talking about. It just starts coming right off. So, let me look right here. Oh, I need to heat this up. That's why it kind of broke off there. All right. I'll give it a second. All right. And here we go. Look at that. It just peels right off. Isn't that cool? Okay, so that's how we're going to remove the image. And then this super cute t-shirt that I bought. Well, not a t-shirt. It's kind of a, I don't know what this is called, but it's really cute. On Facebook, they are SAVV, like Victor Victor, SAVVY, Crafters Vinyl. So anyway, you can also order online from them. Great company. You would not believe how sweet the ladies are. They're awesome. And I love supporting their business because they do things like this. They could have totally sold me another shirt, and another thing and said, I have no idea how to get it off, but they did not. They actually took time, plugged an iron in, and showed me how to do it. Isn't that awesome? All right. Thanks, guys. Toodles.